everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a cooling pad. I had this for numerous years, technically 2 or 3 years, and it has accumulated a lot of dust. And yeah, I want to start off by flipping this over and removing all of the screws in every single corner. At least for other versions of cooling pads, there's like a locking mechanism, but for me, there are about 11 screws all the way around. And once you remove those, go ahead and open up. I should have done this ages ago, but God, this is insane. I cannot tell you what this is. I know my laptop and this fan has been screaming for a while, but I didn't know it'll come to this point. I have 3 cooling fans here. It's insane. This is the bootleg version of cleaning this. So what I have originally is a screwdriver here. I use a couple of my paint brushes. Fairly new, I haven't used these in a while. I use these to clean this out. So let's get to it. Essentially just get the fans out, you know. Other people, they've been using like toothbrushes and other brushes to clean all this junk out. Now that we completed stage 1 of cleaning, the majority of the dust out, as you can see, looks brand new almost. I'm just gonna let this dry out a little bit and then do another run through just to get the little crevices here and stuff like that. But yeah, not bad. So now, next stage is to clean the back side, or at least the front side of this. And there you have it, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed that little miniature video of cleaning a cooling pad. Again, once you use something that take out the screws, a brush or a big brush to dust out everything else. I use wipes. Once everything dries with the wipes, I'm just going to screw everything back together. This is the stuff that I have in my house.